I kind of talked myself into a job in renewables. I had some work done on my house and started working for the guy that did my install of solar panels and a heat pump. And after kind of a while, I was sort of running his company for him, and that didn't seem all that fair. And so we kind of went in our different directions, and I started Your Energy, Your Way, mainly because I wanted to run a different kind of business. I wanted to give opportunity for more women to get into the sector. I'd kind of been on building sites and worked in people's homes and just never really saw another woman. That felt really wrong to me. It's actually really hard for anyone to get a step into this sector because it's so difficult to get an apprenticeship. So I realised that for a woman asking lots of small and medium-sized businesses if they could kind of tag around, sit in the van with a guy who's just going about on his own, just the whole dynamic just doesn't really work well, and means that the opportunities for apprenticeships for women are even lower than they are for guys. So I decided that I would find a way to take on 4 apprentices at once and to give them an opportunity to get into this sector by doing things a little bit differently. So I think there are a couple of reasons why we could really do with some diversity in this workforce. One is that mental health in construction is really poor and is a real problem. And I do think that by having a more mixed workforce, we actually create a much healthier work culture.
So I did my first install about a month ago, which went really well. I was really chuffed with myself. Definitely like a pinnacle point in my career. There's a 50-50 split within the company, male to female, which is really nice.
If people are thinking about taking on apprentices, I know it's hard, I know it's expensive, but be persistent. It really is worthwhile if you find the right people and they can see through their apprenticeship with you. And I would say to broaden out your pool of where you might look for apprentices. Don't just rely on your kind of brothers, uncles, nephews. Perhaps go somewhere different. Maybe try the local gym or women's football team or the climbing wall, somewhere where active people are hanging out, people who might be interested in doing what is a physically demanding job.